All right, so I've just created an AI agent in n8n, and essentially what it does is it uses the user's prompt, or yeah, the chat, and you type in an email, the who to send it to, and what the email is about, and the AI agent will take care of everything else. It'll send the email, it'll write the entire email for you, type in the sign off, everything for you, and it'll send the email to you to whoever you want to. Yeah, okay. Let me give a brief explanation of how this works. So an AI agent is right here, right in n8n, and what makes it really easy is you can visualize this how it works really easily because n8n allows you to literally look at how it works. So right here is the brains of the AI, and this is the API, OpenAI model, and I'm using, I believe, let me see, GPT-4.1 Mini, and so the AI agent is literally contacting 4.1 Mini, and so if I type in hello, it'll respond to me. Okay, and this is the memory of the agent, and you can see here the context window length, which means how many past interactions the model remembers. Okay, so if I type in my name here, my name is Sid. It'll say something like, yeah, hi Sid, how can I help you today? And then if I ask it, what is my name? It knows my name. So it doesn't forget my name immediately after. It knows its context. So yeah, this is really helpful for uh, emails and whatever else, you know. Okay, here is the tool, and this is a bit, yeah, okay. This requires a different API from Google, and what this is a tool for the agent, and this tool, which I named Send Email, lets the AI agent send an email through Gmail with my name on it. So if I go to the AI agent here, you can see the system message, and the system message basically means the job description of the agent. So what does the agent do? What is its purpose? And so I've given it here. You can type in literally just there's no code involved. It's just text. You explain it in plain English. So I said you are a helpful and friendly AI assistant designed to write professional, clear, and concise email messages based on the user input. That's exactly what it does. And so the important thing here is to be specific because we don't want the AI agent to be confused or hallucinate or type in other random stuff that we don't want. So we clearly define its role, what it needs to do, and also very importantly, we need to describe its or we need to define the tool it's using. So we need to tell it that use the send email tool, and there's no code required here. There's nothing else required. You just need to define what tool needs to use. And since we have already connected the tool to the AI agent through n8n, the workflow, it knows which is the tool is connected essentially. And so yeah, the system message is to define exactly what the agent's supposed to do, and it'll follow exactly what it's supposed to be doing. And if we type in, give it a prompt like write email to this email, telling him that is at okay. Now you'll see the AI using. And yeah, the nice thing about n8n is that it shows you what exactly the AI agent is doing live. So you saw the AI agent was loading, and this API was loading, showing you that it was using the API to send this message. And you can see here that the AI agent gives me the email, right? And this is basically this is not new. This is just what ChatGPT can do. This is what If you ask ChatGPT yourself, write me an email, it will do that. And so this is what it did. It says, okay, here. And then it asks me, would you like to send me an email? It does this because I've already predefined what it's supposed to do. I've said that it shouldn't automatically send the email. It should be confirmed before it sends the email. So do not send the email unless all necessary information such as blah, blah, blah is confirmed. So yeah, so it follows exactly point to point exactly what I tell it to do. So then, okay, I say yes. And you see here, the check mark here. Yeah, node executed successfully. Okay, and now it's sent. If we open Gmail here, we'll see, yeah, the email is sent, subject, email, body, everything, even the setup. Okay,